Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do something extra special. There's a wonderful couple that came up from Florida. It's Skip and Sue from Skip and Sue RV Adventures. Now Skip also has his own channel called Skip Smith The Villages, which Sue and she has a friend named Deb that goes around the village proper area and of course around it. To show you what's around the villages and in the villages as far as shopping and eating and things like that. And Skip Smith himself goes into different areas of the villages, shows homes, what to expect in that retirement community and what's going on, the entertainment, all that kind of stuff. So they're a busy couple, no doubt about it. But they came up to Pennsylvania, and myself and LouAnne from Healthy Home Cooking, we went out to dinner on the evening of the first day that they were here. Then the next day, oh my goodness, we had all kinds of stuff going on. So you want to stay tuned for that. So the next couple episodes for me, you're going to see some really good stuff with Skip and Sue. Also on Healthy Home Cooking, and I'll put a link down below, by the way, for Skip and Sue RV Adventures, Skip Smith The Villages, and Healthy Home Cooking, because you're going to want to see all that. Because we had a great time. This couple, they're down to earth. Skip and Sue, they're funny. I mean, downright hilarious. You got to see this stuff. So don't forget to check out, again, Healthy Home Cooking for a cooking segment that Skip and Sue did with LouAnne from Healthy Home Cooking. I was sitting in the back, I was watching the whole thing, and it took everything I had not to laugh. Okay, so you got to watch that. I think she said that's going to be up probably next month on her channel. Without further ado, here's a little taste of what to expect. Okay, and here we are at the Fabios with the infamous Sue.
I just got cut out.
and her driver Skip.
Yeah, her driver. Yeah, I'm a butler.
So we're gonna go in there and have some supper and bring you along. So, how'd you like the restaurant?
Well, it was okay. Listen, I broke one of my own rules.
Yes.
I asked them to change the recipe for me, and I know that's a rule you should never do, but I did. So they did the best they could. It was all right, but it wasn't what I really expected. That's all I'll say about that. But other than that, it was fine.
So the food was fine, but the
food was fine.
How about the company?
Oh, the company sucked.
Yeah. I'm not sure I like this girl you brought. She's flipped me off. She's told me that I was dumber than I looked.
And mine was delicious.
Oh, good.
Yeah, so delicious. She's taking 90% of it home.
Very, very good.
All right. Well, but thank you all very much. Now we're on our way home, and we'll see you on the other side.
Wow!
Whoa! Well, I hope you enjoyed that little taste of Skip and Sue, and of course LouAnne. And LouAnne's from Healthy Home Cooking. Again, I'll put the link down below for that. And Skip and Sue are from Skip Smith The Villages and Skip and Sue RV Adventures. Again, wonderful people. Please check them out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, not only to myself, but to these wonderful YouTubers as well. Thank you, and as always, have a great day, or as Skip and Sue would say, see you on the other side.